of a union territory. Number 1, governor. Number 2, president. Number 3, vice president. And number 4, lieutenant government. The correct option is number 4, lieutenant governor. Lieutenant governor is the head of the union territories of Andaman and Nicobar Island, Delhi and Puducherry. In the union territories, administrators are appointed. The lieutenant government is also appointed the president for a term of 5 years. Which is the following metros has planned to introduce artificial intelligence based cameras? Option 1, Chennai Metro. Option 2, Kochi Metro. Option 3, Delhi Metro. Option 4, none of the above. The correct answer is option 2, Kochi Metro. Kochi Metro plans is introduce artificial intelligence based cameras. The Kochi Metro Rail Ltd KMRL is all set of introduce a system of passenger profiling by using artificial intelligence AI, short wave solar radiation. Option 2, long wave terrestrial radiation. Option 3, reflected solar radiation. And option 4, scattered solar radiation. The correct answer is option 1, short wave solar radiation. Sun is ultimate source of heat, and the differential heat received from the sun by different regions on earth in the ultimate reason behind all climatic features. Earth receive the sun of radiation heat in the form of short wave, which one of electromagnetic nature. The earth elbows short wave radiation during the daytime of effects back to heat received into space as long wave radiation, mostly infrared conditional of at night. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi first introduce a nationwide satyagraha in India? Option 1, 1915. Option 2, 1921. Option 3, 1919. Option 4, 1916. The correct answer is option 3, 1919. Gandhiji decided to launch a nationwide satyagraha against a proposed Rowlatt Act of 1919. The act gave the British government enormous power of suppressal political activities and allowed the detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. The successfully organized Satyagraha movement, the Viras place, also inaugurated Gandhiji. Inaugurated Gandhiji. Which among the following in the currency of Morocco? Number one, option one, euro. Option two, Moroccan dirham. Option three, Moroccan dollar. Option four, rupiah. The correct answer is option two, Moroccan dirham. In which the following sports Harjinder Kaur has won the Medal of India during CWG 2022? Option 1, weight filter, weightlifting. Option 1, weightlifting. Option 2, powerlifting. Option 3, cricket. Option 4, none of the above. The correct answer is option 1, weightlifting. Harjinder Kaur win the bronze medal for India. Harjinder Kaur has won the bronze medal in women in 71 kg weightlifting in Commonwealth Games 2022 in Birmingham. Shri Narendra Modi has also con- congratulated Harjinder Kaur for winning the bronze medal. Which of the following state is now known for the painting Patrachitra? Number one, option one, Assam. Option two, Tamil Nadu. Option three, Odisha. Option four, Bihar. The correct answer is option three, Odisha. Patrachitra is the general term of indirectional cloth-based scroll painting based in the eastern Indian state of Odisha. We have Bengal. Putta means clothes and Chitra means picture. These paintings are based on Hindu mythology. Who was appointed as the Principal Director General of PIB in 2022? Sahil Middukhera. Option 1, Sahil Middukhera. Option 2, Satyendra Prakash. Option 3, Sakshi Sharma. And option 4, Ram Meena. The correct answer is option 2, Satyendra Prakash. Satyendra Prakash appointed of Principal Director General of PIB. Satyendra Prakash was appointed of Principal Director General of the Press Information Bureau PIB. Shri Prakash, an officer of the Indian Information Service 1988 batch, was the principal DG in the Central Bureau of Communication before UP talking up this post. Which among the following is the command of copy the data in Microsoft Office? Option 1 Control C, option 2 Control plus V, option 3 Control plus F, and option 4 Control plus Z. The correct answer is option 1 Control plus C. Control plus C, this command copies the data which is selected, and Control V, the command paste of the data which has been copied or cut. Control F, the command opens the tab to find anything particular in the documents, and Control Z, the command helps to go back to the previous step. Basically, it is undo. What is the first enzyme used in the digestive system that targets the breakdown of starch? Option 1 pepsin, option 2 trypsin, option 3 lipase, option 4 salivary amylase. The correct answer is option 4 salivary amylase. Enzymes are proteins that help speed up metabolism or chemical reaction is your body's the digestion of carbohydrate being is in the mouth. The salivary enzyme amylase begin the breakdown to food scratch in maltose and disaccharide. Salivary amylase is secreted from the salivary glands, mainly parotid glands in the buccal cavity. What are some of the various methods of measuring national income? Option 1 gross national product GNP, and option 2 gross domestic product GDP, option 3 net national product NNP, and option 4 all of the above. The correct answer is option 4 all of the above. National income is the aggregate monetary value of the final goods and service produced in a country of during a year. This includes wage, interest, rent, and profit received by factors and productional like labor, capital lands, and enterprises of the national. The national income in India is calculated by the Central Statistics Office CSO. National income is measured use various methods such as gross domestic product GDP, gross national products GNP, net national product NNP, net domestic product NDP, national income at factor cost NIFC. Where is the fourth edition of the Indian Chemical Council Sustainability Council inaugurated? Number 1 New Delhi, number 2 Lucknow, number 3 Kolkata, and number 4 Mumbai. The correct answer is option 1 New Delhi. Fourth edition of Indian Chemical Council Sustainability Conclave inaugurated in New Delhi. A chemical protochemical Arun Baroka inaugurated of the fourth edition of the Indian Chemical Council ICC Sustainability conclave in New Delhi. Theme of the two-day event in bedrooms and community ESG, carbon neutrality, operational safety, general solutions. Which of the following statement about alluvial soil is incorrect? Option 1, these are most abundantly available soil in India, about 43%. Option 2, these are highly fertile. Option 3, they are widespread in northern plains and river rivalries. Option 4, concur or impure calcium carbonate content is high. The correct answer is option 4. Concur is impure calcium carbonate content is high. Alluvial soil, mostly available soil in India, about 43% covers on area of 143 square kilometer, with the speed of northern plains and river valleys. In peninsular India, they are mostly found of deltas and estuaries. Human slimes and organic matters are present, highly fertile. Indus-Ganga Brahmaputra plain, Narmada Topi plain, etc. are example. They are depositional soil transport and deposited by the river stream, etc. Sand content decrease from west of east of the country. The alluvium is stream of Khadar and old alluvium of stream is Bhangar. Color light grey to ash grey. Texture sandy to slaty ram to clay. Rich in proteose. It has less content of phosphorus, phosphorus. Wheat, rice, maize, sucrans, pulse, olive, etc. and cultivated mainly. Name of popular folk dance of Arunachal Pradesh. Bardocham, Karma. Option 1 Bardocham, option 2 Karma, option 3 Dhamal, and option 4 Gitta. The correct answer is option 1 Bardocham. The Bardocham is the tribal dance that was created by the community called Shekupins, Sh- Sherdupins in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Colorful costumes are used in the dance form. The key feature is the use of travel animal mask by the dancers. They mask according to popular folklore essentially represent 12 evil animal that was supposed to appear before the Sherkupens tribal community every year. Which is the following committees is are related to poverty? With which game was Bill Russell was associated? Option 1 basketball, option 2 lawn tennis, option 3 table tennis, and option 4 cricket. The correct answer is option 1 basketball. 11-time NBA champion Bill Russell passes away. Bill Russell, who was an 11-time NBA champion as a player as well as a coach with the Boston Celtics, has passed away. He died. He did at the age of 88. The number of electrons in the valence shell is equal to its option 1 mass number, option 2 periodic number, option 3 group number, option 4 protons. The correct answer is option 3 group number. The number of electrons in the valence shell of equal to its group number. The group number is the number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom of the elements. The periodic number is the number of protons of the nucleus of an atom of them elements. The mass number A is equal to is sum of the number of protons and the number of neutrons. Indian Constitution can be amended according of the procedure laid down in which of the following article? Option 1 Article 361 and option 2 Article 368, option 3 Article 351, option 4 Article 371. The correct answer is option 2 Article 361. Amending the Constitution of India is the process of making changes to the nation of foundational law or supreme law. The produce to amendment in the Constitution is laid down of part Article 361 of the Constitution of India. As per the procedure laid out of Article 368, amendment of the Constitution as amendment can be enacted only by the introduction of a bill in their House of Parliament. Which among the following field is not recognized under the Prime Minister Excellence Award? Option 1 Contribution of civil servants in innovation. Option 2 Good governance under Prime Minister Swanidhi scheme. Option 3 Digital payments. Option 4 Promoting UAV technology. The correct answer is option 4 Promoting UAV technology. Union Minister Jitendra Singh launches a web portal of Prime Minister Excellence Award registration. The award has been in installation 2022 on the basis of performance of the district rather than the collector of that district. The prize money of the award have been double from 10 lakh to 20 lakhs. Award the recognized of contribution of civil servants of innovation end-to-end delivery of service good governments of Prime Minister Sawandi scheme digital payment etc. Where where we are the fourth ONGC Para Games 2022 organized? Option 1 Mumbai, and option 2 New Delhi, option 3 Lucknow, and option 4 Ahmedabad. The correct answer is option 2 New Delhi. The fourth ONGC Para Games 2022 was inaugurated by Hardeep Puri in New Delhi. Shri Hardeep Singh Puri inaugurated fourth ONGC Para Games in Thayaraj Sports Complex in New Delhi. ONGC organizes of Para Games is an international format from the very first edition in 2017 with the help of the Paralympic Committee of India. Which of the following was the capital of the Chira dynasty kingdom? Option 1 Vanchi, option 2 Kaviripattanam, option 3 Champa, option 4 Shaktimati. The correct answer is option 1 Vanchi. Vanchi, now called Kerala, was the capital of Chira Danayara kingdom. The word Chira is properly derived from Chiraj, meaning disability of mountains. Contains Tamil. The first king of the Chiras of Uthian Chilaratra was ruled anytime between the 1st to 3rd century AD, a Tamil king. Kuleshwara Alvar in 1800 AD founded the second Chira, then Asti. The father divided his property between his son and daughter. The ratio of father to son and son to daughter is 5.2, such that the daughter gets us 400. Find the sum of the share of father and son. Option 1 2000, option 1 2500, option 2 1015, option 3 3015 500, option 4 2900. The correct answer is option 3 3500 equals 5 cm. Find the value of the CD. Option 1 11 cm, option 2 12 cm, option 3 13 cm, and option 4 14 cm. The correct answer is option 3 13 cm. The difference in profit when Ram sells his watch at an 18% discount, and when he sells it at an 8% discount, it has 165. Find the cost price of the watch if he has marketed his watch at 15% higher than the cost price. The correct answer is option 3, 1100. Option 1, 1300. Option 2, 1250. Option 3, 1100. Option 4, 1575. The correct answer is option 3, 1100. Question: 50 make 50 men take 50 men take 20 days to complete a job working 9 hours a day. How many hours a day should 40 minutes take a 20 days to complete the job? Option 1, 11.25 for day, and option 2, 9.25 for day, and 3, 7.25 for day. Option 4, 8.25 for day. The correct answer is option 1, 11.25 for day or day. There are 68 donkeys, 29 cows, 66 zebras, and 77 leopards in zoo. Also, there are an average of 78 animal in zoo. We find the average of the average number of animal in both zoos. Option 1, 66. Option 2, 67. And option 3, 69. And option 4, 68. The correct answer is option 3, 69. The correct answer is option 3, 69. Average equal to sum of the observation table observations. Average number of animal in zoo A equals 68 plus 29 plus 66 plus 77 oblique 4 equals to 16. The average number of animal in zoo B equals to 78. Average number of animal is both zoo 138 oblique 2 equals to 69. The correct answer is 69. Find a volume of cone. Find a volume of cone with radius 10.5 cm and height 18 m. Option 1, 28900 cm. Option 2, 207900 cm. Option 3, 187 300 cm. Option 4, 33900 cm. The correct answer is option 2, 207900 cm. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी भाई अल्फेज भाई उन्हीं आए हाँ हाँ फैजान भाई मोनिश भाई नीचे गए अभी। A journey of 96 kilometers takes 1 hour less by a fast train, a then by slow train B. If have average speed of B is 16 kilometers or less than that of A, then the average speed in kilometer or of A is option 1 60, option 2 54, option 3 64, and option 4 68. The correct answer is option 4 68 kilometer. In a car race, Kara beats. In a car race, Kara beats car B boy 45 kilometer. Car B beats car C boy 50 kilometer, and car A beats car C boy 90 kilometer. The distance in kilometer over which the race has been conducted is option 1 500, option 2 475, option 3 550, option 4 450. The correct answer is option 4 450. The internal dimension of the open wooden box in 12 cm into 10 cm into 8 cm and the thickness of the wood is 2 cm. Find the external volume of the box. Option 1 2240 cm 3, option 2 1680 cm 3, option 3 1344 centimeter 3, option 4 1186 centimeter 3. The correct answer is option 1 2240 cm centimeter 3. A number increased by 30% and the product of it with another number B increased by 4%. What is the percentage decrease in the value of B? Option 1 10%, option 2 15%, option 3 20%, and option 4 25%. The correct answer is option 3 20%. The average of 12 number in 46 point. The average of the first 4 number is the 43 and that of the last 5 number is 49.4. The fifth and sixth number are respectively 4 and 6 more than, and seventh number. What is the average of the fifth and seventh number? Option 1 44.5, option 2 43, option 3 44, option 4 43.5. The correct answer is 2 43. The difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on 15,000 for 2 years is 244. 242. Find the rate of interest. 10%, 9.8%, 12.7%, and 11%. The correct answer is option 3, 12.7%. A sum of certain money is divided between A and B in the ratio of 3.5 point. If A give rupees 22.5 B, then the ratio become 1.2. Dot find the sum. Rupees 4, option 1 rupees 405, 405, option 2 540, option 3 675, and option 4 270.